Dear friends, in this video we are going to learn very interesting topic of grammar related to language study, and the topic is either or, neither nor. Some people pronounce it as either or, neither nor. So either or is used for one of them and neither nor is used for none of them. We will see either or. See the example. Look at the picture. Either the girl or the boy. One of the two. Either Raju or Rani. Either eat or remain hungry. In the first sentence, Raju and Rani are two objects. In the second sentence, eat and remain hungry are the two objects. So any one of the two are shown by either or. Choice between two things is shown by either or. Either this or this. Ha किंवा तो, ये और ओ. These two things or two objects can be two adjectives, two adverbs, two nouns, two verbs, two phrases, or two clauses. Now two adjectives. Look at the examples. I am not sure where Rani is from. She is either Maharashtrian or Bengali. In this sentence, two adjectives are Maharashtrian and Bengali. Then two adverbs. His walk will be either slow or fast. In this example, two adverbs are slow and fast. Now two nouns. He has saved money to buy either a laptop or a mobile. In this example, two nouns are a laptop and a mobile. Now two verbs. Rohan will either apologize or leave. In this sentence, two verbs are apologize and leave. Now two phrases. The child will remain either with father or with mother. In this sentence, two phrases are with father and with mother. Now two clauses. Either she will give me her book or I will give her my book. So these two clauses are used with either or. Now neither nor, none of the two, दोनों में से एक भी नहीं, दोघांपैकी एकही नाही. Look at this picture again. Neither girl nor boy. None of the two is used with neither nor. In other words, neither nor is used to show none of the two objects. choice between two negative things is shown by neither nor. Neither Rahul nor Rohan will marry Leena. Here Rahul and Rohan are two negative objects. I have neither two-wheeler nor four-wheeler. Here two-wheeler and four-wheeler are two negative objects. So two negative things are used with neither nor. Neither nor is used with two negative things. Neither the manager nor the secretary joined the meeting. Another example. She said she would invite me for her marriage, but she neither wrote nor phoned. Subject closest to the verb decide the form. For example, subject closest to the singular object shows singular verb, and subject closest to the plural object shows plural verb. Let us see the examples. Either she or her friends are attending the meeting today. Here friends is a plural subject, so are is a plural verb used with friends. Look at the second example. Either her friends or she is attending the meeting. So she is a singular subject, so is a singular verb used with she. So subject closest to the verb decide the form of the verb. Neither she nor her friends are attending the meeting. In this sentence, friends is a plural subject, so are is a plural verb used with it. In the second sentence, neither her friends nor she is attending the meeting today. She is a singular subject, so is a singular verb used with she. Now use either or in the following sentences. Here are 5 sentences. The principal is to be blamed or the management. My son will buy a car or a house. I will go to Delhi by train or by air. You can spend your money or invest it. She will go to the market or her mother will go. In the first sentence, the principal is to be blamed or the management. So two objects are the principal or the management, and so the answer of this sentence will be either the principal or the management is to be blamed. In the second sentence, my son will buy a car or a house. So a car and a house are two objects. Show choice between these two objects. So the answer will be my son will buy either a car or a house. Now here the sentence, I will go to Delhi by train or by air. Choice between these two objects, by train and by air, and the answer of the sentence will be I will go to Delhi either by train or by air. The sentence, you can spend your money or invest it. Here the choice between two verbs, spend and invest. So the answer will be you can either spend or invest your money. And the last sentence, she will go to the market or her mother will go. Here the choice between two she or her mother, answer will be either she or her mother will go to the market. Now use neither nor in the following sentences. In each of the following sentences, two negative objects are given. So see the sentences first. She doesn't like fish. She doesn't like milk. Second sentence. Men don't like this film. Women don't like this film. He will not be arrested. He will not be jailed. Sonali did not get money. Her mother did not get it. Mr. Patil will not take the lecture. Mr. Roy will not take it. In the first sentence, fish and milk are two objects, but they are negative objects. So the answer will be she likes neither fish nor milk. Here in the given sentence doesn't is used, but as we are using neither, so doesn't will be removed and like become likes because we have removed does. So she likes neither fish nor milk. In the second sentence, men don't like this film, women don't like this film. Men and women are two negative objects, but don't will be removed because we are using neither. So the answer will be neither men nor women like this film. He will not be arrested. He will not be jailed. So be arrested and be jailed are two negative verbs. So the answer will be he will be neither arrested nor jailed. In this sentence, Sonali did not get money. Her brother did not get it. Sonali and her brother are two negative objects. So the answer will be neither Sonali nor her brother got money. Here we remove did. So get become got. And last sentence, Mr. Patil will not take the lecture. Mr. Roy will not take it. In this sentence, two objects will be Mr. Patil and Mr. Roy. And the answer will be neither Mr. Patil nor Mr. Roy will take the lecture. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have understood this lecture, understood this video. Please pause each slide and take down all examples and rules. Thank you for watching. Let's wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye.